Daniel Conley is my gaming name. And today my brother decided to cover me in plush toys. So, yeah, here we go. I'm going to do a little dance.
And then I'm going to jump on her.
What? This was not part of the agreement. Can I stand up? Like, on the count of 3, stand up.
Wait. Speak. On the count of 3, can I jump up? Hello. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Look at all the toys. Well, that's the end of that video.
See ya. Peace.
Leave a like, subscribe, favorite, anything. Bye.